We hope you like it, Larrabecho News.
Hello, good morning. Today is 7th of April and this is Larrabecho News. I am Sanet and we are going to connect with Lander and Kemen, who are in Russia.
Hello, we are Lander and Kemen and we are in Russia, in the Palace of Putin.
And we are going to explain to you what happens here.
In the Palace of Putin, in Cabo de Copas, the hackers group Anonymous hacked Putin's account, and one day later the police catch the hackers group.
The police catch the group because Anonymous sent the message of cyber attacks to Putin, because Putin invaded Ukraine.
Hello everybody, we have a breaking news of Ronaldinho.
We are connecting in Paraguay with Mike Wazowski and Sullivan.
Ronaldinho Gaucho and also his brother are went to prison because I used false passport in the airport of Paraguay.
They went to Asunción prison, but Samuel Eto'o, Ronaldinho's friend and teammate in Barça, paid $1,600,000 for his bail, and Ronaldinho only stayed 6 months. Nowadays, Ronaldinho is playing in Prison Football Club.
Hello everybody, I'm Chiki and we are going to connect with Chacha. He's in Larrabecho because an accident happened. Thank you, Chiki. In Larrabecho, one car went in opposite direction and crossed with another car. Because of that, the two drivers went to the hospital. The driver that went in opposite direction was drunk, so the police came. Luckily, the two drivers are good, but they have injuries. Hello, good morning. Today we are going to connect with Oyer. He is in Norwich.
Hello, Adrian. Thank you. Yes, I am in Norwich, and today's news is about the two Oompa Loompas attacked to the one person, and the police and the ambulance came accurate. The person is in the hospital, and we will tell you information.
Hello everybody. How are you all? We are
Luisa
and Felipa.
and today we are going to connect with Isara and Amayur. Hello Luisa and Felipa, we are Isara and Amayur and today we are on the ground where the acts happened.
Yes, Amayur, thanks. We are going to tell you all what happened in this one, in Mongolia.
Today is 16th of February, but the acts happened on 14th February, on Valentine's Day.
The 14th of February 2022, in Mongolia, an emo girl called Dark Angel went with her friends to a ground. All of her friends had a boyfriend, and like she was lonely during her friend's date, she went to explore the ground and the animals that involved it.
She saw a beautiful pig called Oompa Loompa, and she liked it. So she started to sing satanic song to the pig. She sang for 4 hours, and like the pig got angry, she slept. She started to sleep. When Dark Angel saw that the pig was sleeping, she jumped to the pig. The pig started to make weird sounds.
The farmer started to listen to the weird song and he went to save the pig. But when the farmer saw the emo girl, he fell in love.
The emo girl saw the farmer, and she fell in love too. They had a date, and now they are a couple. This is the most
random way
to fall in love.
Hello everybody, we are in Larrabecho News, and now Nerea and Sanet will tell us what happened with a meteorite on the 6th of March of 2022. Let's listen them.
Hello, we are in NASA station.
On 6th of March in 2022, NASA, which helps understand, protect the planet and explore the universe, said that a meteorite was going to land in the United States.
In the end, it didn't, but at first everybody was scared, but when they but then they calmed down. I am Maddie, and now we are going to connect with Anne. She is going to tell us what has happened in China. Hello, Anne.
Hello, Maddie. As you say, I'm in China, exactly in Guangzhou, where the accident has happened. Flight MU5735 left coming at 1:11, the local time, and was scheduled to arrive here in Guangzhou at 3:05. But the plane plunged to earth in Guangxi Hills and caught fire. More than 600 emergency responders said to be at the crash scene. Firefighters reached the scene first and managed to extinguish the fire.
In Madrid, exactly in San Juan de la Salle Street, there was a Autotrade shop. Let's go to Madrid, where Mayu is going to explain better what happened. Hello, Mayu.
Hello, Simon. Thank you very much. In Tuesday, 13th of May of 2017, two robbers assaulted the Autotrade shop and robbed three high-cost cars. Two people that lived there realized it and called to the police, but the police didn't catch the robbers. Thank you very much, Simon, and goodbye.
Hello everybody. On Tuesday 15 March of 2022, the NASA company sent some astronauts to Mars with a monkey to show the reaction of the monkey and to study the planet. Now, Asier Rola is on Mars and is going to tell us what happened.
Yes, Eneko, you're right. The NASA company sent them to the space with a monkey, Pepe. When they were on Mars, Pepe was scared and it went away, taking the rocket and arriving to the Earth. That was amazing. But the thing is that the other astronaut died because they haven't got any food nor water.
Hello, in 18th of March, there was an earthquake in the north of Japan and two people died. And now we are going to connect with Maya Lordi, that she is in Japan and she is going to explain better what happened. Hello, Maya Lordi.
Hello, Irati. Yes, a earthquake happened in Japan. And yes, as you say, two people were killed. But you didn't say that 160 people were injured. 2 million houses lost power and a bullet train delayed. The earthquake was too strong in some places. The most serious case was in Tokyo. Because of that, the inhabitants were very scared. Thank you.
Hello, I am Lucia and we are going to connect with Elia and Asa who are in Guangxi, China. Lucia told you a plane crashed in the Guangxi region of China. They are investigating whether the accident was caused. They believe that the pilot of the plane took some pills before arriving.
He wrote that he was piloting a cardboard crate and that made them walk directly to the mountains. After some research, they believed that the pilot of the plane was a schizophrenic who escaped from an asylum.
Hello everybody. On 22nd of March of 2022, there was an explosion in Tarragona and we are going to connect with Aritza Nonas, who going to explain to you better what happened. In the 22nd of March 2022 at 22 to 7 in Placa Street in Tarragona, it was an explosion. It was a nuclear failure in industrial estate, and because of the failure, it was an explosion. After the explosion, a piece of metal flew away 2 kilometers from the industrial estate to a house located in Placa Street. Casually, the piece of metal landed in the house and 3 people died.
Hello, we are Elia and Asa and we are going to connect with Lucia and Mayaren.
That we are telling what is happening in Lanzarote.
Thank you, Elia and Asa. Yes, we are in Lanzarote and we are going to speak about hideous news. On 17th of April, today, in Eurospar supermarket that was Lanzarote, Canarias, happened a terrible thing. A boy has only 8 years. The father was distracted for a moment and suddenly a woman appeared and kidnapped the child. The father suddenly realized it and then he went to the police station to report it. Thank you very much.
Hello everybody.
Today we are in Madrid in Alcalá Street and we are going to connect with Malen and Silvia.
Hello people, we are in the set of El Hormiguero with Trancas and Barrancas.
Hello.
Yes, hello. We are here because Pablo Motos, Mari Carmen Herrera and Cristina Pedroche, with the collaboration of Trancas and Barrancas, record a film about El Hormiguero and how they record it.
They start recording the film the 20th of February and it's in the cinema since the 23rd of March.
It was an exit.
Yes, we are so happy.
Yes, so happy. Thank you for listening.
Hello, we are going to finish the program with this news.
Daniel, apparently the reactor number 4 exploded and caused a lot of damage. There were 160 people working and 30 died. The people that were injured went to the hospital and luckily no more people died.
Thank you, and this has been the news of the day. See you soon and thank you for listening nice. Bye bye!
Ay, más.
Was going to fall in the...
Vale. No, it's my fault.